Object lessons in nature. So in nature, especially when you're hiking, there's wonderful lessons which you can learn. You know, taking each day step by step, taking each step by step as you're hiking. As you know, as you can see, it's a quite big place. And if I, at the start of this hike, was looking up always and seeing where I was going to go, that means I'm not really focusing on the present, and I could be easily discouraged. But when I was just looking at my feet, taking one step at a time, step by step, bit by bit, I got to the chosen destination. And it's like the walk, our Christian walk, how we have to take each step by step, and also always along the way remembering how the Lord has led us. So even though this path, as you're viewing it, doesn't really look climbable, it actually was. So let's just say I walked on that path. I remember that God led me through there. And as I go there, you know, some obstacles may come, but then I have to remember the way God has led us. And it's also with, you know, truth and how God is revealing truth these days. You know, how the Lord is pouring out truth, as the truths that brought us to life. We have to continuously remember them as we go further on in this Christian walk. And by God's grace, He will show us the way. But we always have to remember His dealings. So God bless.